We are kicking off a WISN 12 Hurricane Relief Drive with the American Red Cross. Your donations will help volunteers bring much needed supplies to Louisiana and the Northeast.
We were down in Louisiana for 6 months after Hurricanes Laura and Delta last year, and this seems to be a much bigger disaster with Ida. So, I think it'll be things in terms of the basics, like meals to people who have been cut off from everything else, to those cleanup kits and the financial assistance to help them get back up on their feet and on that road to recovery.
A $30 donation provides 10 comfort kits containing basic personal items such as soap and toothpaste. Starting tonight, Schneider National Foundation is matching up to $25,000 of donations. To donate, head to WISN.com/donate, or you can call 855-848-GIVE. That's 855-848-4483.